My name is Praise. Today I'm going to talk about the story name is and hog on the pole. Once upon a time, there was a hog was blue. Auntie born find a hasty bone. Auntie and crowded on going to across of the river. River and sea and looking down and sea and and it was reflection. Reflection and see is on another top. It is another brown. It was too greedy. And she takes this another bone. Suddenly it was open his mouth and his his phone was into the river and the poor dog was going home. It was so sad. Moral of the story is don't be greedy. Thank you for listening. Bye bye.
Good.